The way of the heart is also the way of connectedness, because the heart by nature brings everything into unity. Mind diversifies, heart unifies. Heart knows, mind tries to figure out. When we are truly in the heart, in the innermost of the intimate connection with our source, our mind is a different mind. This mind works with conscious energy. The mind that works with conscious energy falls in love with the heart. And the heart already is in love with everything that exists, so the mind is included. From that love between the conscious mind and the conscientious heart, something is born. That's the real child. That's reality. The name of that child is understanding, the union of knowledge and being. Man needs to have an aim, to trust in something higher than himself. Love has to pass through that aim first. Then people can love each other, because they have a common aim, self-understanding. That love does not turn into hate. Through that aim, they love each other, because they love that aim. Draw a circle with a dot at its center. From the center point, you can draw many lines radiating out to the circumference. At the center, everything is one. Everything is unified. The farther any line goes from the center, the farther away it is from the other lines. Real love is not found much on the earth, because we've lost the connection to the center, to the source. We have to come back to the center. That's how we get closer to each other, and remember we are part of one unified existence. The way of the heart also means the way of unity. We can unify with the center point, with the source, and in that we become unified with others.